Hi everyone, and welcome to the latest Water and Weather Report from the Texas Water Development Board. I'm Dr. Mark Wentzel, a hydrologist with the Surface Water Division here at the agency. Today we're going to be taking a look at conditions for our state at the end of November 2019. Here's the U.S. Drought Monitor map for conditions as of October 29. At that time, 47% of the state was in drought. The tan and darker areas shown stretching from north to south in central Texas. Extreme drought, shown here in red, totaled 5% of the state. This map shows observed precipitation in November. Note the yellow and warmer colors that designate areas that received 2 or more inches of beneficial rainfall. One band of beneficial rainfall was clustered along the coast, particularly the lower and middle coast, reducing drought in those areas. A second band extended along the Red River Valley and west, improving drought conditions in that part of the state. Meanwhile, many areas in East Texas received less than 1/4 their normal amount of precipitation for the month. As a result, more area in that part of the state is now impacted by drought. Thanks to November's rainfall, the drought map for November 26th shows significant change from the previous month. Drought conditions improved in north central Texas, along the lower and middle coast, and extreme drought was almost completely eliminated from the state. Unfortunately, drought reemerged in the Panhandle and expanded in northeast Texas. The net result was a 15 percentage point decrease in moderate or worse drought and a 4 percentage point decrease in extreme drought. Despite a large fraction of our state being in drought since August, our water supplies have held out pretty well. The darkest line on this chart shows water supply volume in our reservoirs compared to minimum, maximum, and median values. We began July 2019 with about 6 percentage points more volume than normal for the time of year. But increased water demands and evaporation losses associated with a drier and hotter than normal August and September took their toll. By the end of October, storage was down to 81% of capacity, about normal for the time of year, and has remained at that level through November. That concludes our Water and Weather Report for November 2019. In summary, 32% of the state remains in moderate or worse drought, down from 47% near the end of October. Extreme drought covers less than 1% of the state, down from 5%. Our water supply storage is about normal for this time of year, but drought is expected to persist and expand in central Texas during the next few months. Thanks for viewing, everyone.